Hello, welcome to Guitars for Bars, part 2 of the painting of the front. I ended up making the flames a little bit brighter than I planned originally. I was going for the galvanized steel look, but I really want them to pop when it's on stage. So I wanted more contrast, so I made them a little bit lighter. Now, video number 1, I did this part up here. Then while the phone was uploading the video, I did this part, all the flames. And now today we're going to do the last section of flames. And that'll take this video, and then the next video will be the border. Yesterday, when I did the back part of this design, I started here and worked my way that way. Then when I did the flames, this middle section, I started here, worked my way this way, then came back over here and worked my way back, met in the middle. Now today, I'm going to be starting on this end and working this direction. I'll start down here, and as I work my way over, I'll turn the guitar. That way, I'm pulling the flames down with my paintbrush, and it's a little easier to get a good straight line like that sometimes. But I'll probably still be doing some of the others too. We'll just see how it feels. Okay, and again, like yesterday's video, I'm going to edit little sections, paint some, stop it, paint some, so that you don't have, 2 hours of me doing this whole area. And I'm going to play some more tunes from me and my buddy Albert jamming like 12 years ago. So I want to tie this in with this, and then still have some contrast there. This spot right here gets covered up by a plate, but I still like to get it so it all looks good without the hardware on it. Now, some of this music here you're listening to, this is stuff we came up with and then hit the record button. So it's not polished at all. We're just jamming. So it's going to be kind of rough. I'm making it up as we go along. And Albert and I, we always played off of each other. Things that he would do, I would kind of mimic, and things that I would do, he would mimic, and we just kind of knew when each other was going to do something, where we were going to go with something. Albert, if you get to see this video, I hope you're doing pretty good, buddy. All right, I'm just using that to mix some paint as I'm getting ready to do this flame lit. and it's going to be almost covered up. Come on. All right. This area, I got to do that drop shadow thing here like I did up there. And I got to make sure it doesn't get too dark down at the bottom. So I'm going to create this illusion of space. Okay, stop for a minute. Okay, I got that little bit done the way I like it. So another tune, a little more painting. a little piece of dirt there. It's driving me crazy. If you don't have enough paint on the brush, you can't pull a good line. And if you got too much on it, you can't pull a good line. It's really takes a little practice. And sometimes on the curves, depending on which way you're brushing, you might have to spin the brush. That usually happens when I'm holding it like this, trying to go around a corner like this. I'll spin the brush in my fingers a little bit like that to get it curving around it right. Okay, I'm going to finish this. Okay, got a little bit of black to put in one spot, and then this little section is done for now. And that will be it for this video. Please hit like and subscribe, and check back for the next one. Tomorrow I'll be painting the border. All right, have a good one. Thank you.